njalo ingane zethona kodwa amafikosana shintsha zama mavula avanzini madoda nomzana namazi nqingeje dubulani into umzasizweni yonyanga le lapha ekhaya gobe kwakho ongenakho be hayi ngoba afa so zabe khona we sengibona ngifundiswa aniphethe kanyabe mhlophe indoda iphinde yekaningi makwenza kwenzeka umlomo ungathathi manga ushanda kanti abunithenga ngofana umthenga amahlahla ushanda ongakanani nasentendeni esandlaneni nasothini lomkhondo ngiyehlala ngithi cha baba yebo iyona impela ke indoda le ihamba kancane hayi njalo ayijiki uma isinje iquba elihle indoda emgidagida ye wena hayi ayijiki ke uma isinje hayi ngila nje bo yebo I'm in Middleburg sawubheka ilinye ithwasa lami bese ngiyahamba all right. How old were you when you realized ukuthi ukubhula okanye ukuhlola okanye ukubonelela akusikhona ukulapha? Hayi angizwe. To be a seer or to be able to see or foresee is not healing. It is a mechanism, okanye. It is a tool for you to be able to decipher. It is a tool for you to be able to understand what you are dealing with. Asibeke ngesizulu. Ukubonelela okanye ukubhula okanye ukuhlola indlela yokukulekelela yokuthi ukwazi ukubona ukuthi yintoni obhekene nayo, yintoni ebambezela izinto zakho, B yini ekumele uyenze ukuze ufinyelele la ekumele uye khona, C intoni ekumele ilungiswe ukuze nihambe ningene ekukhanyeni. Kunabantu, I've done these lessons before and I've proved it. Ba allowed abantu bafone sayixoxa lezi zinto. Kunomuntu ongenayo inkinga, confused nje qha. Wese kuba khona umuntu onenkinga ebhekene naye. Kube khona umuntu onenkinga ebhekene nomndeni wakhe. Okanye umuntu onenkinga ebhekene naye nonkosikazi nabantwana qha. Bese kuba khona umuntu onenkinga umkhokha womndeni wonke. Into endala kade yabakhona. Bese kuba khona abantu abaneyinkinga ezibheke isizwe sakubo. Hey bafethu, that is where ukuhlola or ukubonelela okanye ukubhula comes in. That is not healing, my friend. That is not healing. Healing is when sekumele kulungiswe leyo nto. Sometimes kuyamekenzeka ukuthi kumele uthathe lokhu nalokhu ukuze kwenzeke. Sometimes kumele uthathe umuntu or uthathe bona uthathe umndeni or whatever ubayise endaweni ethizeni. Sometimes kumele wena melaphi uye khona kuloyo mndeni loyo and you deal with the problem right there and then. Ayizwa leyo nto? Some other people as well or some other problems make you ukuthi ugcine futhi uthatha the same people and you take them to a specific place that will bring peace upon their lives. Ayizwa leyo nto? Hayi, bye. I think I've spoken too much. Sometimes kumele besiyithinte lezi zinto. Ngiyayizwa leyo nto? Hayi, injalo emadoda ayijiki mayisitshe. Cha.